What's up, pioneers? This is Daniel here with your Daily Investor, the place where we talk about investing not only in stocks but in yourself. Look, guys, let me get straight into the video. I just want to congratulate each and every one of you that's been dominating this week in the stock market. It's been a roller coaster ride this week. This has definitely been a roller coaster ride this week. But I want to congratulate each and every one of you that's been dominating. Shout out to Angela, shout out to Swicky, shout out to Gerodric. Y'all have been killing the game, and I appreciate you guys for the support. So look, I'm here tonight to come up with a strategy for each and every one of us right now in the stock market. Right now in the stock market, this is how I'm playing it. Because we've seen Monday the stock market pulled back, and it created a lot of buying opportunities. And then Tuesday it kind of recovered, and then Wednesday we kind of consolidated, and then today we've seen another market pullback. So this is how I think that we should play the pullback. We need to make sure we have cash on hand. If you're up 50%, 70%, or 100% in some of your plays, and you see other plays coming down that has great entry points, you have a lot of plays out there that's actually pretty good to get into right now. But if you see some of them plays and you're up real big on some other plays, and you want to go ahead and scoop up some shares in those, then go ahead and sell out them positions or trim them a little bit just to get you a little bit of cash, so you can either buy some new positions or you can average down or even average up potentially in some of the plays that you're in, that you really believe in and that you're very bullish on long term. This is how I think we need to play the stock market. Like BioLace, I have a lot of money into BioLace, but today I trimmed a little of my position in BioLace because Apxt is back on my radar. Striked and bought a position in Apxt. I bought 55 shares as a starter position. But the thing is with Apxt, I'm actually going to do options on Apxt. If you don't have the cash to buy shares for some of these companies, consider doing options. You get the option to buy the shares cheaper, actually. Then you can set out your limit of when you want to hold them. If you want to hold them for maybe a month or 2 months or 3 months, you have the opportunity to do that with options. But this is how I want to play the stock market. Make sure we have cash on hand. If you have some plays that you're over 50 or 100%, I advise you to probably either trim your position or sell out of them so you can start building out positions in some of these other companies that you've been wanting for a while that's starting to drop down in prices, such as NNDM. You have Apxt. You have GNOG, ticker symbol GNOG. You have a lot of companies that's a steal right now. Romeo Power. You have another one, XL Fleet. I seen it actually started going up. I want us to make sure we follow the plan. Follow your trading plan that you have. Follow your stock plan that you have set for yourself. But this is just something that I really felt like coming on the channel and talking to you guys about, making sure you have a plan for what's going on in the market. When some of these stocks are green, do not buy them. I'm telling you this from my experience, because more than likely, once you buy green, as soon as you buy green thinking that the stock is having a little bit of momentum, then the stock starts tanking. Looking at technicals on the charts, you get to see those support lines on where the stock used to be. So if it used to be there once before, it can definitely go back there once again. So you need to pay attention to those points. Pay attention to those. Pay attention to where these support zones are on the charts, because those are prices that the stock they used to be there. So just because they're not there now does not mean that they can come back. Because more than likely, a lot of times they like to come back and test the support area, and then you can pick up the shares and load up the boat of those shares in. But like what's going on now, the stock market is just pulling back. So a lot of times, so with the technicals on a lot of these charts, the support lines are just getting blown through. Like they're just falling below the support line. So stocks are dropping further than what they usually would drop right now, because the whole market is pulling back. So don't be scared, don't be weary, and like I said, do not panic sell. This is not the time to panic sell. This is the time to pounce and buy some of these dips. I'm taking advantage of it. I'm actually trimming my position in some of my plays to go ahead and get into some other plays that I want to get in, and I will bring them to the channel and tell you guys what those plays are, because now we're about to start doing some option plays. We want to start revving up doing option plays on the channel, because I've been really wanting to do that. And shout out to Gerodric, he's been killing the option game, and having a conversation with him in the comments yesterday. I told him I want to start doing my option plays, and so look, I'm about to go ahead and start now. And Apxt is going to be my first option play that I bring to the channel. Apxt is at a steal right now. I really love the price that it's at, and I really hope tomorrow it can drop back to $11. I'm really hoping so. I'm actually excited if the market pull back tomorrow. If the market continues to pull back tomorrow, it's going to make me excited, because I'm going to just buy some more shares of some more companies. I'm even going to probably just go ahead and just, not even pay any bills and throw some money into my account, just to go. No, I'm just playing. I'm going to pay my bills, but sometimes it get hard to not, put money in the stock market. I'd be like, you know what, that bill can wait. I just throw this money in the stock market, but we got to take care of priorities first. So look, I was just joking right there, but look, I just wanted to make this video for us to have a plan in the stock market, so we are not just being a sitting duck. Now, if you do have to be a sitting duck and just hold, that's fine. Just hold. Do not panic sell. Do not get scared. Or if you're big in a position that you're actually positive in, just take a little profits. Or trim the position down a little bit so you can probably use some of that cash that you have to buy dips on some other companies that you'd like to be in. So that's just a little bit of advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so you don't have to, listen to me. This is just my own opinion. This is just, me getting on here giving you guys suggestions. So I'm gonna end the video there. If you like the video, leave a like for me to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And also, I want us to continue to dominate this week. This week has been a roller coaster, and it's just been one for the books. It's been my first actual big correction that I've been in since I've been in the stock market, and so it's actually pretty fun going through it. It's a little overwhelming, but it's also fun because we're learning so much right now in this time. We're learning a whole lot, and so I'm very excited about this. I'm very excited about this time. So look, I'm gonna end the video there. I want you guys to make sure we do this, because we do this every day, every week, every month, every year. Stay consistent, be persistent, and most importantly, stay up while we're on the come up and never look down. And until next video, pioneers, I'm out.